Hey, do you have rats or mice? I got a great way to kill them, and it won't hurt your pets. Look at this. This is so simple. If it takes more than a minute to describe it, I'm wasting your time. Look at this. So simple. You get any kind of chicken seasoning, beef seasoning, I don't care. One of those Knorr cubes will work. Then use equal amounts of plaster Paris. Make little balls and let it dry, and then put it in the areas where the rats and mice are a problem. In a few days, these little bastards are going to die because the plaster Paris turns into a rock in their stomach. And then goodbye, you little bastards. It's so simple. Do it. Add a little bit of water, mix it up, then scoop it out on a table, let it dry into balls, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. It's not rocket science.